Next, we'll try to understand the union types. So let's try with a quick example here. So I would just want to store a number here in an variable. So the syntax for that is like we have to compulsory mention like it's a number and it can only store a number here. But what if either I can store here a number or a string? I want to keep both as an optional. Both are the possibilities. So what I can do here, I can just apply a union operator and I can say a string. It means the data type is either the number or string. It can be anything. So if I'm just mentioning here number 10, no problem. Even though if I'm mentioning a string here, no problem. Both are allowed because the data type we have mentioned with the union. So how exactly it will be useful and what will be its benefits? Let's say try to create a function here with the name display and the parameter we are not sure either what data type we are going to get, either string or integer or wait anything, it could be array, anything it could be. So let's say initially I'm just giving a string here and I just want to console here this param. So the role of this particular function that we created is such a way that whatever the input we are giving, it will just console it on the screen. So let's call this function display and give a parameter ABC. So let's see the outcome now. Okay, fine. We are able to see the output. Let's see the same function now we would like to call with an integer. Will it be possible? No, because it's compulsory accept a string. So if I want to call with a number input here, it's not possible. If I want to do that, I need to apply a union operator here and mention with num string, it also accepts a number. So now both are allowed and both will work very correctly. Fine. Next, we can also make it more complicated. Let's say we can give an array here, we can give anything object also, many more other combinations we can put. Let's say I also want to give in this case true and false here. So right now it's not allowing me because it's saying that either the string or number is only allowed. So if I want to make it a boolean also supportable, I need to make it this way. So this is how the union type will help you to combine the different types together and create a large number of possibilities. So here is a quick question I would like to ask you people now. Let's say I'm passing a string. It's perfectly okay. So along with this particular console, I also want to console the length of this parameter. Will it be possible here? No. Why? Because the length is only applicable when there is a string. But here, apart from string, there is a number, there is a boolean also. So if I remove this, now it will allow me to have the length. I guess I have done some mistake here. Let me just confirm. Yeah, length. But when I'm making it as a number, immediately it is started complaining me length is not an allowed property over a number because it's not only string, it's also a number here. So how to get rid out of this particular issues and everything. So you can write again manual validation for which data type we are having and forcefully converting that. And then we can use these function with these are the few restrictions will come into picture when we are going to use the union types here. So hope you understood how the union types will work.